Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 14th day of January 2026. And here we go again. We're going to use our good friend, our strong candle indicator, which is a little green triangle pointing up saying, take this candle long. So we'll start off with a cover order over the top, wait for the retrace. If it retraces, we're going to bring it from the top down to the bottom. And we're going to take this up. We looked over here at PVI. It looks like it's about 100, and I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 140 and 160 ticks long. So we'll be a little bit conservative with our ATM. We're going to go for 20s, 50s, and 100. And this is how it all went down in the live trading room today. Boom. So we'll go ahead and put the cover order on. We're going to buy. And we've already got a retrace, so we can stick it right on the body of the candle. We'll leave it at the same speed as the market until we get picked up in the trade. Once we do that, excuse me, we'll speed it up so we're not here all day. Happens pretty quickly anyway, so don't know that we need to speed it up that much. But this is the trade taken by traders in the room, live in the room today, as are all trades of the day that we post. And here they come. Boom, it got picked up. We can use the retrace for our stop because it came back to a moving average. And there we go. So we can just leave it. If we wanted to, we can go ahead and put it behind a candle or even behind two candles behind. That's an awful lot of risk. But sometimes on these big PVI days, that's what you got to do. You'll notice when we hit our first target, we de-risked the trade completely. So we're going for 21s, which is a 20 tick net. We go to minus 18. So if this comes back and takes us out now, it'll be a break-even trade. And then we can decide whether we want to put another order on to go long. So if we want, we'll get another order ready. And if it does come back and take us out of break even, we'll go ahead and put another order on. Let's go ahead and speed this up a bit. 4 times market speed. Once it gets a wriggle on, it goes fairly quickly. So again, we use our first target for risk control, and then we put a couple runners out there. See how we go. So 50 tick targets out, and then we're going to go for the 100, and I think we get that relatively easily. Boom, boom, boom. And 100 ticks is out. We stopped the clock. That trade took about 4.5 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 4.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. All kinds of education. The indicators that are special just to ID, just to Samurai Day Trading. And there we go. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.